Hello, class. What I have here is just something to look at that is also going to help you understand the concepts that we've been learning this last week with diffusion, things moving in and out of a semi-permeable membrane, which we just did. And in this little demo, we used some eggs. I put an egg, you know about what size a normal egg is, right? I put an egg with all the chemicals that come with it into a container of water. I put an egg into a container of maple syrup. This one is also a maple syrup. These two are actually the same. Okay, things like to move from what concentration to what concentration? High to low, low to high? Anyone know?
High to low.
High to low. Okay, molecules are claustrophobic. Okay, they want to spread out. Okay, if I have a ton of molecules right here, those molecules might want to pass. If they can pass, they will. But if they can't, what might happen instead? If these molecules can't go over here to spread out, to go from a high concentration to a low concentration, what might happen to the water over here? It's going to go over here to try to dilute it. Okay, is there a lot of water over here? Yes, high concentration. It might go to where there's less water and more molecules. So let's look at our egg real quick. What happened to the egg? Bigger, smaller, stayed the same. This means bigger, this means smaller, this means it stayed the same. What's your observation of this egg?
That's just a regular egg that you put in there, right?
Regular size egg. It got bigger, didn't it?
That's gross.
So who would like to share what happened to this egg?
It got bigger.
Expanded, why?
The water went in.
I don't know.
Because it
Why did it
absorbed water.
expand?
The water.
The water went in to try to dilute down all those chemicals in the egg, right? This is pure water, lots of chemicals, I love it.
Was it up?
But what happened to this egg?
Right.
Why? What happened?
I don't even see that egg.
Yeah. You really want to come up and take a look.
Looks gross.
It does look gross. What happened to the egg? Got bigger, stayed the same, got smaller. Everyone answer. Can you
What was
see?
in there before you put the egg in?
Maple syrup. So it got smaller. Why do you think it got smaller, guys?
It was maple syrup and it passed that way.
The maple syrup couldn't get in,
So the egg yolk.
so maybe the yolk or just the fluid in the egg left. So it shrunk. Okay? An egg, by the way, is the perfect one cell. I mean, it's one cell. Your cells are doing this. Things are going in, things are going out, depending on the concentration. And remember, the big concept here is that water is going to move from a higher concentration to a lower concentration to try to dilute it down. Okay? High to low. Questions, comments, concerns on that? Okay, we can stop that. I'll post